Hi everyone and welcome to this week's Special Mentions Assembly. We have loads of special mentions to get through this week, which is absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to start to go through them. So if you hear your name, you need to feel really proud. Thank you very much to all the families and to all the teachers who have put nominations in this week. This one is for Jake from Miss Ellis, and this is for getting 10 out of 10 in his spelling test. Well done. A selection for Mr. Howsam now, one for Liam, saying well done for some great learning over the last couple of weeks on the Romans. It looks like you've been learning geography skills, history skills, and practicing your writing, so well done to Liam. To Kyla, thank you for sending in your fantasy tale that you've written this week, and well done for planning, writing, and editing such a dramatic story. That's great to hear, Kyla. Nita, well done on your home learning this week. Your amazing presentation and for your great comprehension skills. For Olivia, well done Olivia on being so motivated and focused with your home learning every single day, and Mr. Hassan is very impressed with you. For Sanizara and for Bia, this is for thank you both of you for being amazing quizzes all week. We've done quiz questions, countdown, boggle and lots more. Also well done to Sanizara for her amazing maths puzzle, and to Bia for beginning to teach us Portuguese. Fantastic. We've got one now from Mrs. Cloak, and this is for Scarlett. And this is to say Scarlett has shown such gold standard every day since lockdown began. She attends Zoom classroom every day, and she's so enthusiastic and smiley and very proud of everything she's doing. Well done, Scarlett. That's lovely. Okay, a selection from Mr. Law now. So Mr. Law says this first one is for Lily May, and this is for well done Lily May for turning up to our Zoom classroom and for our intervention sessions. Despite finding this week rather tricky, you have shown great resilience and perseverance. That's what we like to see, Lily May. Myself and Miss Manning loved hearing all the adjectives that you use to describe your toys. We've got one for Kai and for Colby. Well done Kai and Colby for super maths intervention, and despite covering some tricky concept, you two remained dedicated, focused and resilient. Well done. All these qualities that we're hearing about children, it's fantastic. For DR, well done DR for all the dedication and effort that you have put into your home learning this week. You have truly shined bright. Well done. For Treya, well done Treya for another successful week of home learning. Your maths work this week was outstanding. Keep up the hard work. This one continues from Mr. Law, and it's for Treya, DR, Evie May and Lacey May. Well done for joining and completing your first cartooning session this week. Your cartoon bats were superb. Kai, congratulations Kai for becoming the phonic flashcard speed and read champion this week. 1 minute 36 seconds is the score to beat. Razzle and DR, this is also from Mr. Law. Well done Razzle and DR for completing my Key Stage 1 sentence challenge this week. It was a joy to read your statement, question and exclamatory sentences. This for Jake, for Sai, for Joe, Maggie May and Millie from Miss Ellis. It's been lovely to spend time with Year 6 this week, especially impressed with their maths fraction work and their attitude to PE. That's fantastic. A couple from Miss Burley here for Caitlin. A huge well done to Caitlin for working so hard at home this week. Her M&M sentences were excellent, and it's lovely to see her being so creative outside in the fresh air. Well done and keep going. For Loki, so delighted this week to receive so many lovely photos of Loki's home learning. His work on prime numbers in maths and his answers in reading were fantastic. Well done, keep it up. A couple from Miss Taylor now. For Rita in the Year 3-4 bubble, Rita has shone this week in provision. She has approached all her work with focus and has been a wonderfully supportive talk partner to other children. Alexia in the Year 3-4 bubble has been a gold role model in school this week. She has approached everything with enthusiasm and determination. Well done, Alexia. And then we've got some from Miss Gibbs. So this first one is for Bentley. Bentley for impressing us with his gold standard name writing. For Charlotte, Zara, Ascaris and Lana for always being so eager to work hard and achieve gold standard, and every bit of work that Miss Gibbs has received this week has been super shiny. Well done. This one is for Maggie and Ebony for being loud and proud when they attended their first Zoom classroom. It's really wonderful to see that so many children are attending their Zoom classrooms and teachers are really proud of you for doing so. That's fantastic. This is for Amy Louise Clark and Mackenzie Clark from Mum. Amy and Mackenzie have done so well with home learning this week, and Mum is very happy with them both, and that's really lovely. Thank you, Mum, for taking the time to send that in. Some from Miss Garvin now for Lisa Marie for trying so hard even when it gets a little bit tricky. To Bailey for being so eager to learn and attending Zoom calls with a big smile. And then Liam for working so hard in his Bridge Home Learning Pack with superb handwriting. This is for Brandon Lee for Summer Rose and Sienna from Mum and Dad. Well done for doing your work. You are all doing really well and we are so proud of you. Keep up the fantastic work. That's great to know that you're all working hard in your home. And then some from Mrs. Carter here, Abba, Melissa and Millie for completing lots of work at school and being gold and shiny. To Raina for working so hard and showing all her work on the Zoom classroom every afternoon. For Leonore for being creative and making a cardboard pirate to link to our pirate topic. To Tilly for being creative and making a parrot to link with our pirate topic. And to Scarlett, Rose, Raina, Tilly, Rosie, Leonore, Nasa and Diana for attending Zoom classrooms over the last few weeks. And then we've got some from Miss Taylor. Miss Taylor for Kobe says Kobe has worked super hard in school this week. He has shown determination when maths got a little tricky and wowed all of the adults that have been working with him. Fantastic effort. To Milana, Milana has produced some fantastic home learning. I especially love her Kitty Fairy unicorn design and her non-chronological report, which describes all its special powers. Well done, Milana. To Camilla, Camilla has been working her socks off at home to complete her home learning pack, and I especially love her poster on evaporation, which explained how clothes dry. Well done, Camilla. And to Amy, Amy kindly sent her home learning pack into school this week, and I'm so impressed. She has worked exceptionally hard to complete her pack. I'm especially wowed by her amazing math skills. Well done to Amy. And that's just a reminder, if you've done your home learning at home in your learning pack, send it in and we can give it to the teacher to have a look at, and they can get in touch with you and tell you how proud they are of you for doing all of your work. Joe, Mason and Kai, this is from Mum. Well done for their work this week, especially Joe doing some really hard sums, and an extra special mention to Dad for helping Joe with the hard bits. So well done Joe, well done Mason, well done Kai and well done Dad. For Lily May from Mum for being a superstar and cleaning her bedroom and making sure that her bed is made every day. Fantastic skills. For Carly, also from Mum, for trying really hard to write her name and helping me every day. And then we've got another one from a mum for Ruby Rose for working hard while at home, asking questions and constantly wanting to learn. Well done, Ruby, that's fantastic. Always want to learn. Every day's a school day. And last but not least from Miss Burley, this is for Emma. Well done to Emma for attending our Zoom reading group on Thursday. You read in a loud and proud voice and answered the questions brilliantly. Wow, that was a lot of special mentions. I think possibly the most special mentions we've ever done. So that's fantastic. Keep up the hard work. Have a lovely and safe weekend. Look out for Monday's Monday Message Assembly, which is all about looking after our mental health and our well-being. And you might see some familiar faces on that message assembly, which tells you all about how those people who you might recognise are looking after their mental health and their well-being. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care. Bye.